Hi everyone, good to see ya. And today I'm going to call this the first maybe of a series I'm going to try. It's called This and That. Some things I've discovered, things I'm doing, things that might give you a new idea or to try something you never tried. So come on and join me for This and That. Okay, for my first this and that, first of all, I'm going to show you something here that I've done for a lot of years, and very simple. We all like our houses to smell good. We all like, the people come in and think, oh, we've been baking up a storm. And then sometimes you want to cover up some smells if you've cooked fish or cabbage or Brussels sprouts, or just for you to make your house smell good. So what I have, and in a pot, a small pot, add about a tablespoon or two of whole cloves, a whole stick of cinnamon, 2 or 3 bay leaves, and an orange, a small orange. We all have these around the kitchen right now. If you don't have oranges, you can buy grated lemon peel. So to that you would add a tablespoon of that. Any whole cloves would be perfect. What you do is put that in a pot and fill it with water and let it simmer. And I'm telling you, the aroma in my house right now is wonderful. I have put these things in small baggies and given them as a gift. Just dry in a bag, and with some, write out or type out with on your computer the ingredients and tell your friends to simmer it away. Now, the only thing, this pot I've had it for about 3 days. It lasts a long time because it's the whole spices. In a pinch, I have used ground cinnamon if I really want my house to smell good. But to buy a few sticks of cinnamon, whole cinnamon, this smells wonderful. Just be sure to tell people or you to watch the pot, that it doesn't go dry. So that's my first this and that. Oh, the smell. Simmering away. Just so comforting. Give it a try. My next this and that, I've gone to the dollar store and I've bought some of these cute little jars, and they're not expensive. They're sealed, and what I've made up is a batch of homemade, my mom called them nuts and bolts. You can call them trail mix, adding different things to your mix: pretzels, cheese, nuts, cheese bits, and put that, if you look it up, there's lots of recipes. I'll try to find a link if I can. I've used different things of this recipe, but yeah, I'm going to give these as a gift to neighbors. This and that, you could cheat. You could buy a couple of boxes already made, fill up a little container with a red bow and a tag, just thinking of you. That's a great this and that. Okay, my next this and that every year I treat myself to an amaryllis. Have you ever grown an amaryllis? You can go to Canadian Tire, your local hardware store, your local nursery, and buy yourself an amaryllis. I keep it by the kitchen sink right here so that I can watch it bloom. It's a wonderful gift for kids because usually it comes in a box so they can pot it and they can watch it grow. A wonderful gift for a senior, a shut-in, because I used to work with seniors, and we would give our seniors one of these. One year, I gave each senior a disposable camera, and I told them to take pictures of the different stages of their amaryllis growing. Amazing, fun, easy. It's got the pot, the dirt, already in that box, so all you have to do is plant it, water it, and watch it grow. A great this and that. Another this and that. Many of you know that I love farmhouse type of decorating, and when we renovated our kitchen, I sure wanted a farmhouse sink. I love it. I love it. I've bathed my grandkids in this, and just is a treat that I've just loved. But if you have one, and sometimes to clean it, yep, it's white, it gets stained, but I'll tell you, my best friend is this barkeeper's friend. I'm not getting paid for this, I'm just telling you that this is a cheap, inexpensive way to keep this clean, and you can use it on other things, but I use it mainly on this sink, and it does the trick. So keep that in mind. Another this and that. Okay, another this and that. I discovered this for my bathroom tub and the tiles. And this is pretty amazing, and it works. What you need is some Dawn detergent, and I'm just using a cheap spray bottle container, and I'm gonna fill that about 3/4 of the way into my container. Not quite half. So we're going to let that go. Then I'm going to fill the rest of the way with just white vinegar. And a couple of drops, 2 or 3 drops of your favorite oil. And I'm just going to drop, maybe, I added 5. And any fragrance you like. This one happened to be lemongrass. All of us like our houses to smell wonderful and clean. So I'm going to put this lid on and shake it. Shake it so it's really well mixed. So then when I go to do the shower in the bathtub, I'm going to spray this all around the tub, the tiles, leave it, walk away for about 20 minutes, come back and wipe it with a wet sponge. It is super and so economical. Try it. This is my this and that. So I hope you kind of liked a little bit of that, a little bit of this and that. And I'm going to come up with some other this and that things that I do around my home to keep things simple, to keep things homemade, and to save a little bit of money maybe, or to try something you never tried before. So give them a try, and I'll see you again on Bonnie's Best Creation. Please subscribe so you don't miss anything. God bless and have a great day.